Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a look at one of the biggest smart displays Amazon has ever released, literally. This is the Amazon Echo Show 21, the newest flagship model featuring a massive 21-inch Full HD screen, built-in Fire TV, upgraded speakers, and the brand new Alexa Plus features that bring a whole new level of intelligence to your home setup. If you've ever wanted a true command center for your kitchen, living space, or home office, this device might just be the centerpiece you've been waiting for. The first thing that grabs your attention is the size. A 21-inch display transforms the Echo Show from a simple smart assistant into a full productivity and entertainment hub. Meal prepping becomes easier with big, readable recipe cards. Following tutorials, video calls, and even watching live TV or streaming apps feel more immersive and natural. Fire TV integration means you can stream almost anything directly from the screen, no extra device needed. Now let's talk organization. The Echo Show 21 is built around home productivity. Shared calendars, shopping lists, reminders, sticky notes, and household schedules sync instantly and display large and clear. Alexa Plus adds new predictive features that adjust the interface based on your routine, whether it's planning meals, coordinating family schedules, or managing tasks. You also get improved smart home control with interactive panels for lights, cameras, locks, and routines. The audio system is surprisingly powerful. With upgraded drivers engineered to fill larger spaces, the Echo Show 21 doubles as a kitchen speaker, an entertainment unit, and a content hub. Video calls also benefit from the enhanced wide-angle camera and noise-reducing microphones that make conversations clearer and more natural. What makes this device stand out is how versatile it is. Use it as a smart recipe book, a Fire TV screen, a video call hub, a digital bulletin board for the family, a central controller for smart home devices, or a full productivity station. The large screen brings everything together in a way that smaller Echo Shows simply can't match. If you're looking for a premium home hub with a huge display, deep Alexa integration, and all-in-one entertainment and organization features, the Amazon Echo Show 21 delivers a genuinely next-level experience. Don't forget to check the link below to get the latest model and support the channel, and subscribe for more daily tech content.